I started building my first computer at only 2 days old. I could barely crawl, but I got the parts with my hands and I put them together and I made the best computer in India. The New Delhi Space Academy was so proud of me. They enlisted me in the Space Academy at only 3 days old after they saw my